Hi guys! If you're looking for a sulit food deal, kailangan nyo nang itry itong promo ng TGI Fridays for only 375 pesos. So kasama na dito yung isang appetizer, isang entry, isang drink, plus may complimentary chips pa. So for the appetizer, we had the house salad. Ang sarap niya. Perfect combination ng salty flavor at cheese sa fresh vegetables. Tapos naman for the entry naman, syempre yung favorite ko, grabe yung the pork tenderloin. Grabe, 1,000 out of 10 to for me. Super juicy, flavorful, and perfectly cooked lang siya. We also tried yung crispy catch. Masarap din siya. Nagustuhan ko dito yung rice tsaka yung sauce niya. Sobrang bagay na bagay talaga siya sa fish. Very satisfying and balanced yung flavors. Then for the dessert naman, okay lang siya for me. Hindi lang siguro siya yung super standout, pero sakto lang siya talaga for a dining experience. And the best part, syempre, with free iced tea din to, syempre, tsaka complimentary chips habang naghihintay ng order. So, for only 375, sobrang sulit na to, lalo na kung gusto mo talaga yung complete meal without spending too much. Kaya kung may malapit na TGIF sa inyo, try nyo na itong promo habang available pa.